Alright, we gotta have a taste test. And my lovely assistant is gonna be taste tester.
So are they all the same?
All the same.
Okay, well, you know me.
Some of them's a little bit thicker because I like mine floppy bacon.
I
You know
don't,
that.
I don't like floppy, so. That's good.
Smoky.
It's smoky, a little bit sweet.
Yep, that's that applesauce on the outside.
That's good. You don't want to buy store-bought anymore.
I told them they throw rocks at the store-bought.
It is good. Not a whole lot of fat, because you know I don't like fat. That's good. You did good. This is only your first time to do this.
There you have it, independent verification of homemade bacon.
Delicious.
I have to build me a smokehouse now.
And I want a freeze dryer.
Freeze dryer, oh no. We've been watching Homesteaders up in Missouri and they got a freeze dryer and it's bugging us. Philippians 4:6 says, "Be anxious for nothing, but in everything by prayer and supplications with thanksgiving, let your requests be known to God, and the peace of God which surpasses all understanding will guard your hearts and your minds through Christ Jesus." I began to think about the peace of God. In about 5 hours, this house is going to be a madhouse. For the first time in a lot of years, all of our kids are coming in for Thanksgiving. Yeah, there's probably going to be more than 10 of us here. I don't care. Come get me. I don't care. I've had enough of all this mess. They're killing our traditions. And tradition is family getting together on Thanksgiving is tradition. Folks, we've gone away from God in this country and we're paying the price now. We don't know the peace of God anymore. People are filled with rage in the streets. But folks, the only peace we're ever going to know, the true and real peace, is in Jesus Christ. And I urge you today, if you don't know Him, seek Him out. Call on the name of the Lord, and you will be saved. I was just thinking about, we done the bacon test, and I was thinking about things, and I just wanted to give you a little Thanksgiving message this morning. Wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. Folks, we got to keep these traditions alive, not because of tradition's sake, but there's so much in these. We used to have a family reunion every Thanksgiving, and we don't do it anymore. People quit coming. It's kind of like church. Everybody used to go to church. They used to think you just went, and we don't do that anymore. We're getting away from it. We're losing our traditions. We're losing our culture, and I urge you this Thanksgiving, if you got family around, get with them, love on them, have a good time, smile, in prayer and supplication. All these things are temporary. So just wanted to give you a Thanksgiving message. Hope you enjoyed the bacon taste test, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy Thanksgiving. Be safe.